Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you guys a quick and healthy Asian recipe that takes around 15 minutes. Before we get started, I want to introduce myself real quick. My name is Sophie Hung. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a certified personal trainer. I specialize in Asian diet for diabetes, high cholesterol, high triglyceride, high blood pressure, weight management, and many more. And let's get started. So today we're going to be making some mixed vegetable tofu miso soup. So let me show you what we got. I got this variety hot pot pack from H-Mart. I love this because this is already ready to go, pre-chopped. It has starchy vegetables such as the corn, the lotus root, the taro, and some kabocha squash underneath. And also vermicelli noodle. And if you're diabetic, you can probably skip that because there's already many other carbs available. Or you can switch it up with konjac noodle. And it also have non-starchy vegetables such as the bok choy and a good variety of mushroom such as the enoki, the wood ear, and the shimeji. What's missing here is some protein. So I picked out this organic, high protein, super firm tofu. And I got this from Sprout. I like this super firm texture because it's extra high in protein. Even just 1/5 of a packet is already 14 grams of protein. So if you even just eat half a packet, you're already getting 35 grams of protein, which is really good and is comparable to animal protein. And for flavoring, I like to add this organic mild sodium miso paste and mix. You just need 1 tablespoon or so and put it in the water and make it as the soup base. So let's get cooking. So now that the miso paste is all dissolved, then I'll put in the starchy vegetable since they cook the longest. I'll let it cook for a few minutes first. Then I'll add in the mushroom. After adding some mushroom, then I add the tofu. You can add a little bit of some garlic powder for extra seasoning, some black pepper, and finally the bok choy. And you can definitely cut them in smaller pieces if you like. Then you can close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. Voila! It's all done. It looks so colorful. So for extra flavor, you can add this wanjashang organic less sodium tamari or this Japanese barbecue sauce. They're both clean label and very delicious. Let me try it. Very delicious. Bon appetit!